There it goes. He seems innocent, but Mr. Squirrel has a talent. A hidden talent.
Now that we're taping him, he's not going to do it.
Yeah, you're probably right. He's going, hey, why should I climb up when I have all this delicious food on the ground? But wait, there's more up there. No. I like the ground food better. Just a look in his eye, though.
Mm.
Doink. There he goes.
There we go.
His little Mission Impossible maneuvering.
Dun 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 dun.
Failure
dun,
once.
dun 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 dun. It's a slippery pole.
Choom. He got good jumping.
Yeah, he does. He's determined.
Getting his balance. Turning it so he can get his little face in there. Come on, hang upside down by your feetsies.
Mr. Fluffy Tail 1, the bird feeder 0. Is he giving up?
No, he's kind of going around the side there. He's probably going to do a little walk around and come back.